Hey Bayes, are you ready for a crash course in online safety? I'm Justin Ramos, your IT administrator here at Bayes, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips to make sure your online presence stays secure. Tip number 1, stronger passwords. Use a combination of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, along with numbers and symbols. Update passwords regularly and use a password manager such as LastPass, 1Password, or NordPass, just to name a few, for added security. Tip number 2, factor authentication. Enable factor authentication whenever possible. This adds a layer of security by requiring a code as a second verification step, such as a text message, a phone call, or even through an authentication app. Tip number 3, phishing awareness. We want to be cautious with phishing emails. These are deceptive messages aiming to trick you into revealing personal information. Do not click on links or download attachments from unknown senders. Realtors work with clients they have never met, and it's easy to fall for a phishing attempt. Data actually shows 1 in 3 cybersecurity incidents are through phishing emails. Finally, tip number 4, back up your data. Regularly back up your data. Be consistent backing up important files to an external device or secure cloud storage. This provides a safety net against data loss from cyber threats and hardware issues. These tips are a great starting point for online safety. But remember, online safety is a constant journey, and you always have to keep an eye out and stay alert. Thanks for watching.